Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. I hope that you are all in a safe place and in a great place. Guess what guys, tonight I am going to share with you how I make these jewelry trays. And what I did was, all I used was styrofoam poster board, some hot glue, some felt, and diamond wrap. And if you guys want to see how I make these nice little jewelry trays that I will be using for the events that I do, don't go anywhere and I will show you how I make these in 2 seconds. Here are the items that I will be using, and I've decided to decorate my tray with this glitter canvas type of fabric. Something that I had found at my local thrift store. Right here I am cutting out the bottom of my tray. I didn't do any measuring guys, I did it all by eye. And here I'm just cutting out strips which will be used for the sides of my tray. And they're about 1.5 inches wide. Once I have my strips cut out, I go ahead and mark where I want to score my strips and to also cut off the piece that I don't need. Once I have done that, then I go ahead to glue my pieces together. And here is the result. Right here guys, I am using some thin cardboard, something that's easy to roll and curl like that. And I make sure that they're about because this is a ring tray, I make sure that they are about the size of my finger. I just roll it, put a piece of tape on, and once I have as many as I think I'll need, then I cut off the ends on an angle. As you see here, that's what it looks like. And you see I've already started covering my pieces, and here I'm going to demonstrate. Once I have all of the pieces that I will need, this is what they look like once they're done. Then I go ahead and get ready to place them inside of the tray. And I just kind of made that little grid to give me something to go by, a guide. Hey guys, I just want to take a second to say thank you to those of you who have been watching my videos. I haven't posted in a while, but I'm back in the saddle, and I want to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers who've been still checking me out. I want to say thank you to the new subscribers who haven't subscribed yet, but I hope that you do. Tap that subscribe button and then the notification bell to find out what new videos I will have coming up, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking me out. this has to go in like this. So this is what I do. I leave, you see, this is like 1.5 inches, so I leave about 1.5 inches at the top, and I line the edge of the felt to the edge of the tray. Don't worry about the hangover, let it hang over. It's the top that you want to focus on, and the side for now. So what I do to hold that in place, I guess I could use a thumbtack, but what I was using was tape. But you know what? I'm going to use the thumbtack. That'll help hold it in place while I make my marks. Just like that. And I look at where I'm at, and what I do is I feel for the top of the and I'm using my blade on this, guys. I'm going to turn this blade around and put the fresh new side, because I really need this to do right. So what I do is I look underneath, I look at where everything is lined up at, how it's lined up, right? And then I just feel for the top of the nub, or the fingertip. And I make a slit with my blade right over top of it. Once the cuts are made in the felt, I move forward to place each peg through the felt, one row at a time. After the pegs are pushed through the felt, I remove the felt so that I can trim the sides of it to make sure that it has a proper fit inside of the tray. After the felt is replaced over the pegs, I make sure they are pushed all the way through for the felt to be on the bottom of the tray. Once the felt is glued in place on the inside, I cut the decorative trim for the outside of my jewelry display tray. Here you see I use the scraps of the felt to cover the top of my tray. Now I'm ready to add the decorative trim to the outside of my tray. Now that the outside is covered, it's time to add some accessories. And here I'll be using the acrylic adhesive back gems along with some other acrylic gems. And guys, this is the final result. What do you think? I think it turned out really, really nice. It goes well with the other two trays. As I mentioned earlier, these beautiful display trays are used to create a different style of displaying heart and hand creations and events, handcrafted custom designs. But if you like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and then tap the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And guys, don't forget to share. And I will see you in the next DIY video.